So my name is Lucia Mirales Chavez. I am a physician in Fresno, California, and my husband and I have a wellness practice that we created together. The medical group in Fresno, California. We focus on wellness, rejuvenation, aesthetics, medical weight loss, hormone balance, fitness, and nutrition as well. Specifically trained on a hair rejuvenation procedure using PRP technique and the addition of biologics as well. I also teach on the vaginal rejuvenation and penile rejuvenation and also threads. There's nothing like experiencing it yourself. Videos is great to get maybe the steps down or a refresher. Having it done on yourself is going to be the best way that you can explain to your patients, look, I had it done. This is what it felt like for me. You can look at my before and afters. I mean, it's best to be like a walking advertisement. But let's say you've never had a hair, rejuvenation procedure. There's nothing like just getting the hands on, feeling how to inject, how to do the ring block, what it feels like to, transfer the exosomes or whatever product that you're using into what the steps are, the injecting of the patient, how to position the patient. There's nothing like just doing it hands-on. Because by the time they've been through our program, they've seen the lecture, they've seen the live demo, and then they could do several of them if they wanted to really feel comfortable with the procedure, and then going home with the actual protocols and perhaps even seeing it again as a refresher on a video. I think they'll be more than ready.